Hello, and welcome to this BOM Portal training series presentation where we are continuing to look at in depth the features and best practices of this application. In this video, we are looking at the BOM Portal main view panel. Our objective in this presentation is to show the purposes, uses, and features of the main view panel. After either uploading a BOM or creating one from a project, the main view panel gives you your first look at your raw BOM. Secondly, it identifies the problems with your BOM, and then you're able to make manual changes to correct any issues. Before going on with our discussion about the main view panel, I want to take up the topic of how we handle updates from our project. If any changes occur in your design and you open your BOM, it will indicate to you that the data referenced by this BOM is out of date. You have a couple options here to handle this problem. Number one, you can update your BOM directly from here simply by hitting the update button. Your second option is to do a compare of the changes that have happened. In this report, it will then show you what components were added, removed, or modified. The best practice when updating your BOM is to create a new revision to allow each revision of your BOM to be saved in your BOM portal. Now that my BOM is updated, the first thing I want to do is make sure that my BOM settings are correct. By going into the Eclipse and going into the BOM settings right here, I can set up unique criteria for this particular BOM, such as what my production quantity will be. I put in the number I wish here. I can set up the due date that I wish to have this project done by. I want to verify that my suppliers are correct. From here, I simply hit OK. Now, I will see my BOM in light of my BOM settings that I just set up, and it will identify, first off, the issues that I have. These are indicated by a fatal error, a warning, or no issues. If I wish to make any changes on my BOM, I simply double-click on the manufacturer part number. First off, it will open up my part choice list that is connected to this component in my Altium 365 library. The other option is I can also search by parameter information. I can select based on the basic parameter information, or I can add more filters if need to. Once I find the component that I wish, I can then select that component and say use. A third option is yet to use the alternate search mode. Now here you can look at pre-approved alternates. These are based on a confidence level, which is shown by a level of 9 all the way down to 0. These also then show you what components are in your library, both by the source and by this icon. The true uniqueness of the BOM portal allows you to add in as many part choices as you wish, simply by clicking on a part and saying add a row. At that time, you can then place that new component in there. You also can add alternates. Here, it will add an additional line to this line item, and by double-clicking here or by using the advanced parametric information or the alternates, you can then choose the component that you wish.